Assalamu alaikum, third semester. Our subject is lifespan development, and today we will discuss on the topic principles of growth and development. To understand development, certain fundamental and predictable facts must be taken into consideration. There are 10 principles of growth and development which help developmental psychologists as well in their research study. So, first principle is early foundations are more critical than later development. What does it mean by early foundation? Early foundations means early years of life, early childhood. The habits, pattern, personality, behavior, attitude, and beliefs which established during the early years uh, determinants to a large extent how successful individual will adjust to life as they grow older. If someone is maladjusted in the childhood or in his or her preschool years, so there is a chances for the maladjustment into high school or in jobs as well. So poorly adjusted in children may have problems in their later stage of life, but they can solve these problem which required a great efforts. Second principle is maturation and learning interact in development. So first of all, we will say what is maturation and learning. Maturation is the unfolding of characteristics which are potentially present in the individual as a result of genetically inherited characteristics. It means the characteristics which are genetically present in a child, when they unfold that specific characteristic which is inherited, the unfolding of that specific characteristics is called maturation, and maturation is come with learning. So what is learning? Learning is development that comes from exercise and effort. So when the child learn in his life, the characteristics or the potentials which he or she has unfold, or the child become learn many things or experience many things. So we cannot say that maturation and learnings are the separate terms. They are both related to with each other, or they interact in the development of the child. For example, you can say when a child has a potential or a capability of good vocabulary, or you can say speaking or speech abilities, or if they have the opportunity or to learn such activities or to perform in such activities in school level, and the parents also promote the child, so there is more chances for good cognitive development and language development for the child in further life. So we can say maturation and learning interact in the development. The third principle is each individual is an active participant in his or her development. First of all, we cannot say any learner or in a child is a passive learner. Always the learner is active. If the learner is passive, he is not a learner. So each individual is an active participant in his or her development. If the child or the learner does not want to learn, he cannot learn. So everyone is mentally ready for the learning, can result in better development. So each individual is an active participant in his or her development, and also the responsible for his development. Development number 4 is development follows a sequential and predictable pattern. It is clearly mentioned, or you can say we have the pattern that is predictable and sequential for the development of the child, and these predictable pattern help for the educationist and psychologist as well as the pediatricians for the check and balance of the normal growth and development of the child. For example, we cannot say that the child start for running before he can sit. Always the child first have neck holding, then he or me she can sit with the support, and after with support he can sit independently, and then start gradually with walking with the help, and then without walking, and then running. So it is a predictable pattern and sequence. There are two laws of development in the directions. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the laws of development, that are sphelocaudal law and proximodistal law. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss about the laws of development. Hopefully you student understand up till now. If you have any queries and question, you may ask any question at any time. Thank you so much.